Find the values for x for which this function is discontinuous and label these discontinuities as removable or non-removable. So, what makes a function not continuous, discontinuous? Like what causes breaks in the graph? Okay, holes are one, sure. Okay, and what do both of those things have in common? Right, when you try to divide by 0, that's what's not allowed, so that's what creates breaks in the graph. You can't get a y value when you try to divide by 0. So, if you factored this, it is discontinuous at x equals 2 and negative 2. So if you graph it, that's where you're going to have 2 breaks in the graph. To label those as removable or non-removable, well, removable is the ones. Removable is when it's a hole. Non-removable is all the others, any other type of break. So how do I know if these are vertical asymptotes or holes?
You can factor out from like the top to the numerator and the denominator.
Okay, so what numbers make the numerator 0?
2.
Okay, and then from this we see that the numbers that make the denominator 0 are 2 and negative 2. So numbers that make only the denominator 0, that's how you get vertical asymptotes. So negative 2 is a vertical asymptote, so this guy would be non-removable. And x equals 2 makes the numerator and denominator 0. So instead of that spike in the graph, it's just a hole in the graph. In fact, if you graph this in your calculator, you probably don't even see the hole in the graph because it's just one instant that doesn't exist. But holes are the removable type of discontinuity.